how have you been? Welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to see a very interesting video which is going to be one of my favorite videos ever because this is all about my paintworks, wall hangings, origamis, paper crafts. I sticked all around my home, sweet home. So come on, let's look around it. Come on. So here it is. This is one of my favorite paintings ever, I can say, because this is called as Warli painting. Warli painting is a form of tribal art, mostly created by the tribal people. This is also tradition in Maharashtra. These are the finest examples of folk style of painting. This style of Warli painting was not recognized until 1970s, So I'm just giving a closer look to you. This kind of paintwork was introduced to me by my sister. She used to attend many online classes quite often. Not only in this kind of paintings, she is more interested in baking, making chocolates, making jewelries. So many Indian traditional jewelries. So she introduced me about this, and I started to learn. If I have to say you about the painting techniques used here is as a set of geometrical shapes like a circle, square, a triangle. These shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. For example, the circle represents the sun and the moon, while the triangle depicts the mountain and the conical trees. In contrast, the square renders to be a human invention, a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. It took only 3 days, yes, 2 to 3 days for me to finish all these 4 paintings. Hope you like this. And I'm just going to move on to the next one. It's on the other side of the wall. I drew this art on yellow sheet, basically with the yellow paper. I did not make any kind of painting or yellow painting in this background. I just made use of unwanted mails, advertisement letters. So I never throw those kind of color sheets. I make use of them in this kind of artworks. So this is from one of them. You can see many shapes, as I said, circle, triangles, and I used simple normal lines to connect all those geometrical shapes, so which gave you a clear view of a human, a man, a woman. You can differentiate easily with a very simple technique. When we move to the next one, we're gonna see, let's ignore that photo frame. So this is a butterfly origami. My very first video in doing origami. You can check out below if you want for the link. So very easy making butterflies. Even a school going child can try doing this. So after making this video, I just thought not to throw that anywhere, and I stick over here in the wall. Next to butterflies, here is my beautiful wall hanging. I like this one very much. You see here, very simple. I used crayons here for background. I did not use any kind of paints or sketches or color pencils. All these are simple crayons with black sketch I used to make the image. If I have to show you with a long shot, there it is. Yeah. Here I come with simple paper cut artwork. You can see, I can give you some closer look like this. So this is very simple paper cut, and another one. I did this during Valentine's Day, of course. This is our bedroom, and next comes our bathroom door. I like this one. This is my favorite and favorite color too. And this is our guest bedroom. So I filled all the doors with paper cuts, different colors and different designs. I think you're gonna get my next video in making of this paper cut artwork very soon. Yes, and you must have seen this one in my previous videos. And then, but unfortunately, I failed to take a video for this one. If you really want a video in making of this paper cut, please comment me below. I will definitely do one for you. And here is a longer view. On my right side, all these are closets. I did not do anything so far. So if I fill anything with any of my artwork, I will definitely show you in future. And I also have some big wall space here too. And here is our butterfly, wall hanging, my other paint works as if I show you. Now we are moving to my dining area. That represents my dining area. Of course, everybody's favorite spot in their home, and also the same thing. Circle, triangle, square, all these made this beautiful image. And also I did not make any background color. This is basically from the purple sheet, as usual, the advertisement paper. So this made my dining hall beautiful. I'm not sure if you could see this art with the right lighting. Also, I'm very shaky, I guess, but still I'll try to do something during my editing. So hope you like this one. And next comes my kitchen. So here it is. This image depicts that a woman pours water down onto the clay pot and some birds flying over. And I used only black ballpoint pen to make this detailing very accurate. The same shapes, basic shapes. And this is also from mail cover. I did not make any background color, paint any background color. Finally, here it is, my another last Wadley painting. So just I used paints and some sketches, same yellow background sheet. So could anyone guess which part of area is this from my home? Yeah, of course, red color paper cutting. Yes, this is of course our main door. We live in apartment F. So by the way, I can show you my neighbors. So these are our neighbors. So this is my last paper cut, and I also do have to show you one important and very important paint work. Come on, so let's get into our home. Could anyone guess what's this? This is my another paint work which depicts Shivan and Parvati. So I'll give you a closer look. Shivan and Parvati. And basically this is my iPad. I just sticked with my painting and I covered because already all these were gone. So I made it to look pretty. I also do have all my mango seed paintings. If you want to see how to do this, you just check out on my other previous videos. And yes, finally we're done with all our painting videos today all around my home. So hope all my subscribers like, share and comment. Thank you.